In today's video, we're going to be auditing 3 different website product landing pages so that way you can see exactly what it takes to design a product landing page that converts. We're going to be going over the overall design, what apps that they are using, and how you can structure it so that way you can deliver all the information necessary for somebody to make a decision on whether or not they want to buy your product. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Chappell, and we work with some of the largest creators and brands in the world that you definitely know and love. So let's go ahead and get into the video. The first one that we're going to be reviewing is Jot. And Jot is a coffee brand. On their product landing page, one of the things they have is a pop-up. And this is a very well curated image. You want to make sure the sizing is perfectly positioned, and they're offering a featured gift. So if you end up signing up and dropping in your email, you can get a free gift. This is a great way to get people to submit their emails and allows you to build up your email marketing list, and is a great way for you to be able to get additional sales. Email marketing is one of the best ways to get additional ROIs, and having a special offer is a great incentive. So rather than just saying, hey, sign up to get more news, I recommend giving them a discount or a free gift or some form of a special offer that they can redeem, whether it's shipping or some other form of incentive. This allows you to capture email, and you have a very easy pop-up. And I'm going to be linking all the apps below this video so that way you can apply these as we go through them. And then when we're looking at this landing page, it is very simple and concise. We have our banner, and a banner is a great way for you to either call out free shipping, a discount. It gives people additional information. And also when there's holiday sales, like now where they have a Memorial Day sale, free iced coffee kit with 2+ bottles purchased, it's a great way to increase your AOVs. You want to make sure you link your reviews. If you don't have reviews, I would recommend building them up on the back end and then eventually adding them to your site, because this will definitely increase your conversion rate. The other thing is making sure you have a strong, bold headline for your product name. And you don't want a super long product name that takes up all the space. You want to be very short and concise and clear on what you're offering. And then your menu needs to be simplified so everything fits in one place and it's easy navigation. The other thing is they show 3 images here of their product, and you can see that it is coffee. And then we have our color swatches or our flavor swatches. This is another important factor that a lot of people miss. And a color swatch is where if you offer different variety of products in different colors, you show a visual rather than mentioning the word blue, red, or black. Same thing for different styles. If you sell swimwear or if you sell coffee or supplements, you can have the different flavors in a swatch here so that way people can see what they want before they actually click it. It makes the process of buying much easier. And then we have 3 bullet points. And I always recommend having bullets or some simplified version of delivering value. And this says you get 14 cups of coffee. So that's how you know how much coffee you're receiving. And then we have freshly brewed, and then it's only seconds to make. And then rather than them having some long description trying to explain their product, they simply have a richer blend that's flavor forward. So try to keep your description to 2 to 3 lines of text and reduce your padding. A lot of people have too much padding. If you understand what padding is, it's whenever you have space in between your text or these different callouts. So rather than this page being super stretched out and all this information being scattered, they've reduced their padding so that way the reviews are almost touching the text. They have the bullet points and they fit everything in one view. We can even see the add to cart on first load. And on mobile, this would look really amazing. And then we have our subscribe and save app, and that is linked below this video. And if you sell a product that can be consumed or a product that can be used for hair care, anything where they're buying it over and over again, then you want to make sure you have a subscription. Subscriptions are a great way to get your returning customer rate up, which is how brands are able to stack the revenue month over month when they're scaling. And then this also gets them on a auto recurring subscription so they don't have to keep coming back to your website to buy. And you can also incentivize them by giving them a special discount if they get on a subscription with you. And you can do that either with a discount, or you could say unlock exclusive products and offers and a free welcome gift to really incentivize. And then if not, people can just select one-time purchase. This is a very easy way to demonstrate your value. And then they have try Jot risk-free, and then keep your coffee carefree. And when we click add to cart, we have what is called a drawer cart, and that is also linked below this video. And a drawer cart is great because it doesn't take you to the add to cart page. It doesn't have to reload anything. People can quickly check out if they want to. And another great thing is if you're offering free shipping over a certain value, we can add a loading bar that says, hey, you're $32 away from free shipping. So we offer them some additional upsells, and this is gonna make it easier for you to increase your AOVs. So people might say, oh, okay, I'll buy 2 of these. And now we're a little bit closer to our free shipping. And then it looks like we just got 2 free items as well, which is awesome. And then if we just add 1 more item to cart, now we not only got free shipping, we got some free gifts, but our average order value went from $26 to $78, meaning the average customer is now spending nearly 3 times the amount of money with you, all because of this drawer cart. So you want to offer additional upsells and special offers to get people to move forward, because it costs them little to nothing to be able to give these free items. So it's going to make people feel good about their experience. They're going to feel like they're getting more value, even though technically they're spending a lot more money with you. And so you want to use an app like this because it makes it seamless for the checkout process. And this is what helps you go from that 0.5 or 0.7 conversion rate to being at a 2, 3, 5% conversion rate. This is what a good product landing page design looks like. Then as we go down, we have a nice, easy, short and concise review. We don't want a paragraph of a review. We can leave that in the review section. We want to have a simple call out with our reviews. And if you've been featured in articles or press, this is a great way to showcase your credibility. And then rather than having a ton of different, descriptions or bullet points, they keep it very simple. Each 200 milliliter bottle holds about 14 cups of coffee. That's simple enough. And then we offer a few different variations, and they have nice product branding around each of these. And then as we go down, we can see some more value props, and they have iced coffee, latte, an additional example of how you can use their product. And then we have our simple reviews. Everything is short and concise, and it's very well curated and branded. And if you want to use a template just like them, you can go to Replo, and this is where you can design your custom landing pages like some of these D2C brands and increase your overall conversion rate. So let's check out the next one. The next one is the Earthlink Co. Once again, they're giving a 25% cashback in-store credit. That means that more people are going to buy with them, and if they drop their email, they get an additional reward. So why not? And then as they capture emails, we have a very clear and concise product homepage, which showcases their products on the right, their headline, and a strong call to action. Most people mess this up. They either have it centered or their products being covered. You want to have it to where you can read the text, you have some special offers, simple descriptions, and your product. And so let's go ahead and go to one of their products. And as you can see, very similar to this product landing page as well, we have our free shipping call out. We have a simple menu. We have our imagery that showcases benefits, ingredients. You want to be able to clearly demonstrate what it is you're offering and give as much information people need to make a decision to buy. And then we have our color swatch app, once again, showcasing the different colors, and it even tells us the different scents, our bullet points, our bold headline, and our sub description. And once again, our subscribe and save. And then we have our upsells, and then as we go down, you can see their details, their ingredients. They have a lot more text here. They could probably simplify this, but all in all, they have information for people. These could probably be turned into icons, and they could probably reduce their padding here. But overall, it looks pretty good. And then we have some additional items they can buy, and then our customer reviews. And once again, if we add to cart, let's see what happens. We have our drawer cart where they're offering the upsell, and we also once again have $37 away from free shipping, and this can help us get our AOVs up. The third website we're looking at, Huron. Each of them are selling different products. They all look different, all different branding, but what stays the same? The design and layout, because they know these formats get conversions. So save up to 25% off site-wide, stock up now, Memorial Day sale. Products on the right, once again. Simple review. And then they have bundles. Bundles are a great way to increase your AOVs and get people to spend more with you. So let's go to one of their product pages. So here we are. They could use a color swatch here, once again, that we were talking about earlier, but they have the simple headline, they have the add to cart, and then they have information around their product and some lifestyle imagery. And then we have our details, scents, and ingredients. Then as we go down, we can see their different 5-star reviews, FAQs, and the product pairs well with. And they have a sticky add to cart, and then we have our drawer cart where it pops out, offers the upsells, and once again, same thing here. So if you want to have a clear and concise branded website, a template that converts, and use the apps that these different brands do, then make sure to click those links below this video. And if you're interested in joining our one-on-one ads mastery mentorship, where we handhold you through this entire process, helping you not only with your Shopify site, your e-commerce, but your Facebook, your TikTok ads, how to go viral on organic marketing. We cover all of that one-to-one with you inside of our mentorship. So if that's something that interests you, then make sure to book a call with myself and team. So that way we can go through everything with your brand and see if you qualify. And once again, it's your favorite digital marketer here, Chase Chappell. Cheers and bye all.